Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making samosa. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, let's dive in. We will begin by making our filling. This is frozen meat, and that is going to be our protein for the filling, okay? So guys, we will go ahead and mince our meat. I'm going to use a grater here. You can use food processor or meat grinder, but if you don't have any, then I think grater is another option for you, okay? So we go ahead and mince our meat by grating it. Alright guys, now our minced meat is ready. You saw how easy it was. So if you don't have food processor or meat grinder, don't worry, you can just use your grater, simple as that. So here we begin to make our filling. So I pour in a little bit of oil, not too much. Then we go ahead and add our minced meat to it, okay? Yeah, add salt just to your taste, okay? And then I stir everything together. Alright, so we then go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook. Now I add a little bit of oil to it. And then we stir everything together again. Here I go in and add chopped onions. I add my carrots. I add green pepper. And then we mix everything together. When it comes to the vegetable, choose vegetables that you want, okay? And it's optional as well. Then I add my seasoning powder. I add a little bit of chili powder. And then I mix everything once again. We are doing this on low heat, okay? Now our filling is ready. And also remember that you can use this for your meat pies, your spring rolls, in fact anything that calls for filling, you can use this as well, not only samosa, okay? So we are done with the filling. Here I go ahead and make my glue. I'm using 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then I add a little bit of water to it and then mix everything together. Okay, so this is the consistency that I want, and we are done with our glue. Okay, we set that aside. Then our filling too is ready. Okay, we set that one to aside. And I also have my samosa sheets here. I have a video on how to make this samosa sheets. It's a very simple method I use to make this samosa sheets. I'll leave the link in the description, so guys, do go and check that up, okay? So this is how I fold my samosa. Very simple. I glue this side and then turn it over like this to form a cone shape, okay? And then I go ahead and put in my filling. All right, don't overfill it. and then I glue again. I'm going to glue this side and turn it over like this. And then we press the tip. We close all holes. All right, so we have gotten our triangle shape. There are so many ways you can fold your samosa. At the end of it, you have to get a triangle shape. So anyhow you fold, or any techniques you will use to fold, and at the end of it you get a triangle shape, that is all. All right, but this is how I do mine. Okay. Alright guys, now you have a fair idea on how to fold to get a triangle shape. Okay, so we are going to wrap through it quickly. Alright, so we are going to fry our samosa. We are doing this on low to medium heat. Don't try it on high heat, guys. Don't try it on high heat. It doesn't take much time to fry, so don't fry it on high heat. And as soon as it starts to turn golden brown, that means that it's ready to be taken out from the oil. So now our samosa is ready, so we take it out from the oil. Okay. Hello lovelies, now our samosa is ready, and guys, our samosa is very crunchy on the outside and moist in the inside, and I love it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye.